So let's look at this weekend's box office reports for the Indian box office. Pushpa 2 The Rule collects 1,707 to 1,831 crores worldwide. Max collects 48 crores worldwide. Baby John collects 60 crores worldwide. Marco collects 100 crores worldwide. Vidyut Talab Part 2 collects 55 crores worldwide. UI collects 38 crores worldwide. Identity collects 11 crores worldwide in its opening weekend. Mufasa collects 155 crores in India. Rifle Club collects 26 crores worldwide. Baros collects 16 crores worldwide. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani re-release collects 8 crores worldwide in its opening weekend. Now let's look at Pushpa 2 box office records. For the 4th week and 5th weekend, box office records are: highest grossing Indian film in India, fastest Indian film to cross 1,800 crores at the worldwide box office, fastest to cross 800 crores net box office for an Indian film in Hindi language in India. Now let's look at the USA box office report for this weekend, and the first place goes to Mufasa with a $23.4 million. Second place goes to Sonic the Hedgehog 3 with a $21.3 million. The third place goes to Nosferatu with a $13 million. After that, Sonic the Hedgehog 3 collects 336 million worldwide, Mufasa the Lion King 476 million worldwide, Nosferatu 100 million worldwide, Moana 2 960 million worldwide, Wicked 681 million worldwide, Gladiator 2 450 million worldwide, Kraven the Hunter 58 million worldwide, and A Complete Unknown collects 41 million at the worldwide box office. Now let's look at the top 10 highest grossing movies of 2024 at the worldwide box office. The first place goes to Inside Out 2 with 1.697 billion. Second place goes to Deadpool and Wolverine with 1.337 billion. Third place goes to Despicable Me 4 with 968 million. Fourth place goes to Moana 2 with 960 million. Fifth place goes to Dune 2 with 711 million. The sixth place goes to Wicked with 681 million. Seventh place goes to Godzilla x Kong with 569 million. Eighth place goes to Kung Fu Panda 4 with 545 million. Ninth place goes to YOLO with 499 million. The 10th place goes to Pegasus 2 with $479 million. Now let's look at the top 10 highest grossing Indian movies worldwide of 2024. The first place goes to Pushpa 2 The Rule with 1,707 to 1,831 crores. Second place goes to Kalki 2019 AD with 1,061 to 1,155 crores. Third place goes to Stree 2 with 881 crores. Fourth place goes to The Greatest of All Time with 455 crores. The fifth place goes to Devara with 450 to 509 crores. The sixth place goes to Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 with 389 to 421 crores. The seventh place goes to Singham Again with 386 crores. The eighth place goes to Fighter with 360 crores. The ninth place goes to Amaran with 333 crores. The 10th place goes to Hanuman with 300 crores at the worldwide box office. So please like and share this video with more people and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You can watch other videos over here as well, and follow my social media handles at the news to miss the handle name for all the latest updates. So thank you for watching. So please subscribe. See you again in the next video.